just wanted to get this on video. I don't know how I'm going to edit this or if I'm just going to post this as its own video, but I just finished the most epic cut I have done so far. First of all, I got my layout like 99% correct. It just made a funny extra pass on the outside. It didn't amount to anything, but it's perfect. I mean, the end result was perfect. It just had this funny extra pass at 1/1000th of an inch. This is the base of my new double-sided flippable vacuum table for doing circuit boards. This is a recess here for the vacuum line to come in, and then it'll go to all these, and there's another plate on top with a bunch of holes in it that line up with these grooves. But this thing is incredible. This is just about as big as I can go. I have about 3 more inches that direction, but left to right, God, I mean, I had my finger hovering over stop. I came within 1/8 of an inch of the stops. The stops that are non-existent, I should mention, because I have not put them in yet. But these bolts on the side of the Z were 1/8, 3/16, 2 millimeters away from here, and we cleared this guy by less than an inch. Same with the Y. We were within that much of hitting a stop of a mechanical stop of running out of thread. We were that close. But most importantly, this new router clamp and jig. Here's the brush assembly. There's the hole for the router, and then there, that silver bar is the top of the brush, and that recess and that hole are what line up with that duct. So that duct comes down. This is recessed. There's a recess up in there, a hollow spot as well that carries over, and that corresponds or lines up with this recess here. There's some pins, alignment pins in the corner, and this whole thing just magnets on the bottom there, so I can pop it off really easy to zero out the bit or to change the bit, and it just sticks on with magnets, and it's incredible. There's no dust in this room. I mean, it was so. The dust collection this is the best dust collection of any machine I own. Planers, joiners, table saws, etc. No dust collection works like this dust collection. I mean, look, here's the plate on the side. This is a dark green plastic plate, and let me see, look at that shine going across. There's no dust on that plate. I mean, there's no dust on it at all. Zero. And that's 3 inches away from where the cut's happening. Little bit on the bristles and a little left into the cut, but you can see the rest of the cuts that it had a chance to kind of go over as it was making adjacent cuts. They're 100% clean. There's no, I mean, look at this. There's a little there, but 99% dust collection, if not more. It's incredible. Incredible. So, biggest cut so far, best cut so far, dust collection is incredible. This took like 42 minutes and didn't have to hold the shot back once. Whew, so nice. Okay, so next thing on the list, I got to pop this, get a new sheet on, and then start milling the top plate, which should be interesting. So, alright, it's very good. Ding!